Alright, let's start by securing the setup station to the table using your C-clamp. Make sure that the stubs are facing away from you and you're ready to get started. Load the Captain Platen and lock it into place. Then, put the locking bar forward. The Captain Platen works best with unconstructed hats, and the first thing you want to do is remove the cardboard, then unlock any belts or buckles on the back. Start by sliding the bill all the way through the front bar. That's the little skinny one up top. Now you want to put the sweatband in from the right side first. Now the key here is to get the entire sweatband under the top plate. Once the sweatband is under the top plate, the rest of it is easy. Do the same thing on the left side, and you secured it into place. Now use the bill to make sure that the hat is straight with the platen. You can use the sides of the platen as a guide. To smooth out the print surface area, pinch down the center and pull down the right and the left side of the hat so that you get a completely smooth print surface area. Then, engage the locking bar, pull the sides, and you're done. To transfer the platen, drop in the master adapter and then put the Captain Platen on top. Lock it into place and hit print. The biggest benefit to printing directly on hats is that you don't have to limit the amount of colors that you use or the detail in the artwork.
I've been in my feelings nowadays. Oh, I'm not liable for things I say.
If you want to print a white underbase, all you have to do is pre-treat the hat before you start printing, and then you can print the white underbase and put the colors on top.
Tryna get that queso off of my nachos. I'm still gaining weight, I cannot see my toes. It's been hot all summer, I just need the frost. I put some ice on that. Oh, yo, the flows that I brought out.
Thanks to the Captain Platen's patented design, you can print from the top to the bottom of a hat with full color, high detail artwork in seconds.
Every time I am on a slab in your head over heels, if you're walking in the red bottoms and the ice, girl, you better chill. Put some ice on that. Put some ice on that. Put some ice on that. Boy, put some ice on. Boy, got no chill.